Now in the previous lecture, we have created a function for activity selection by using grid approach. So hopefully everything is clear about that. Now in this video, we will look at another problem, which is coin change problem. So here the first thing is we need to identify what is a coin change problem. Then we will see how grid approach helps to solve this problem. So the coin change problem is basically you are given a coins of different denominations and total amount of money. We need to find the minimum number of coins that you need to make up the given amount. So what does it mean? So let's make it more clear using this example over here. So let's say we want to make a change for 70, and here we have given infinite supply of denominations. So our problem is we need to find the minimum number of given denominations to make the change for 70. So in this case we can make change for 70 by taking 50 and 20 from this set over here. Now the answer for this question is 2, because here we are using only 2 coins, which is 50 and 20. So similarly, if we look at another problem over here, for example, the total amount is 122. So in this case, we will use 3 coins from this set to make change for 122. Now hopefully you understand the problem, and let's see how can we solve this problem using grid approach. Now if you look at this example over here, now you see that the total amount is 2035. Now here the first thing that we are going to do, we will take the maximum number from this set and we will compare it with 2035. Now in this case we see that the maximum number is 1000, so it's less than 2035, which means that we can select this one as our result. So we will add it to result list. Then in the next step we are taking this 1000 and minus from the total amount. Now the total amount becomes 1035. Now one more time we are comparing with the maximum number from this set, and we see that 1035 is greater than 1000, so this means that we can select 1000 one more time. So we can select any number infinite times, because in this case the supply of denominations is infinite. So in the next step we will take 1000 again and insert it to our result list. After inserting it to our result list, we are taking current total number and minus 1000 from that number. Now in this case we have 35. Now we are taking the maximum number from this set, and we see that 1000 is greater than 35. Then we are continuing to the next maximum number, it's 100, so it's also greater than 35, and it continues all the way till 20. When we reach the 20, 20 is less than 35, so this means that we can take 20 as our result. So we are inserting 20 to here, to our result list, and we are minusing 20 from the 35. Now the number is 15. So we need to take the maximum number which is less than 50. So in this case the number is 10. So we will select 10 and we will add it into our list, and we will minus the 10 from the 15. Now at the end we have 5 over here. We will select the maximum number which is less or equal to 5. So 5, we have 5 over here, so which means that we have take 5 as a result. So this is how our grid approach works. So if we observe this very clearly, we can see that in each step we take the best local solution and move to the next local solution. So in each step we are finding the maximum number which is the best local solution in this case. Then at the end we are combining all these local solutions to get global optimum solution. So hopefully everything is clear about coin change problem. Now based on this logic, let's see how the algorithm of coin change problem looks like. Now the first step over here is we need to find the largest coin that is less than the given total number. So after finding it, we are adding coin to the result and subtract that coin from the total number. Then if the total number becomes 0, then we are printing result. Otherwise we are repeating these 2 steps until total number reaches 0. So this is how our algorithm looks like for coin change problem. Now based on this logic, let's create a method for coin change problem in practice using Java.